Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to fix the error where Google says your account cannot be found, even though the username is already in use. This situation is quite confusing, but I will walk you through the necessary steps to get this sorted out. Before we begin, it is important to consider if the account was ever deleted. Keep in mind that once a Google account is permanently removed, it is unfortunately not recoverable, even if the system says the name is taken. This happens because Google prevents anyone from reusing old usernames once they have been deleted. If you are sure the account still exists, let's start the recovery process. First, navigate to the Google recovery site by going to g.co/recover. When the page loads, type your Gmail address into the input field provided and press the Next button to move forward. If the account was deactivated recently, Google might ask for your password to prove you own it. If you cannot remember the password, just click the link for trying another method. Google will then initiate several verification steps to ensure you are the actual owner seeking access. One common technique involves two-step verification. You will need to confirm your identity using a mobile device previously connected to the account. Select the option to receive a notification or a security code on that phone. You may also be required to provide your recovery phone number, so have that ready. After entering the number, hit Send to get the text code. Then type that code into the verification box. If you previously established security questions, provide the most accurate answers possible to help the process. Once Google verifies your data, you can generate a new password. I recommend using a robust combination of letters, symbols, and numbers. Store this password safely for the future. Following these instructions should help you reclaim your Google account. Thanks for watching.